name is Dylan, and today we're doing digital badging for analytical balance here. So first of all, we want to measure approximately 1.0000 gram of salt into this 100 milliliters of beaker. As you can see here, I'm first trying to put the beaker inside the balance, and then first zeroing out it so we can only count the weight of the salt instead of counting what's on the beaker. As you can see right here, we successfully zeroed out and the balance has shown zero on the value. I slightly made a mistake here because the balance is still fluctuating a little bit on the third and the fourth digit behind the decimal point, but it shouldn't influence it that much. So I just continued here. So here, as you can see, I was moving the spatula um, from the salt into the beaker. And first I measured a bit. I think what I could have done better is move the salt like closer into the balance. So in terms of transporting process, the spatula wouldn't like be like very shaky and loosen some of the salt during transporting, and I would have to clean it up afterwards if that happened. So here, as you can see, it's a bit unclear. The balance is a bit unclear, but right here it is 0.9466 grams. So I have to add a bit more. Uh, yeah, but I accidentally added a little too much. So after closing it, we can see that it is quite exact 1.0000 grams. So now I'll try to transfer the 1 gram of salt onto a folding paper and then use this folding paper to add the salt into the beaker we want. So first, we want to zero out the weight of the folding paper again. I folded it as the video instructed by professor. So basically, I just folded twice and then like just kind of like unfolded it. So here, as you can see, I successfully zeroed out the weight of the folding paper. So now I would be trying to add salt onto it. So here, I grabbed the folding paper out of it to be like more careful with the salt because it has happened more than one time that the salt has dropped during the transporting process. So I had to redo the whole thing. So I was trying to be more careful right here and just kind of added after taking the folding paper out. So here I accidentally added too much. As you can see, it's around 1.5 gram. So now I would have to take some out. One thing I can do better right here is, I guess, just in general to um, add smaller bits of weight. So in that case, I wouldn't have to remove anything. But honestly, like 1.0000 gram is just very hard to measure, and yeah, so it is quite hard. So I was just trying to like give a more balanced, give a more accurate weight on the folding paper. So you can actually skip to around 6 minutes, 13 second of the video, because from now to then it's just me measuring out 1 gram. So here I did weigh out 1 gram, and as you can see, it is on the folding paper. So now I'll try to add it to water to create salt water. And since the folding paper is well formed, like you basically just shake it in there. And I made sure that there was no leftover on the paper, and I just gently shake the beaker, and I used a spatula to kind of like shake it to mix it. So as you can see here, we will have a salt solution.